In-Hotel provides a feature-rich hospitality front-of-house system. Designed for small to medium-sized hotels, In-Hotel provides an easy-to-use property management system with tightly integrated telephone system functionality. As the In-Hotel application is browser-based, multiple users can access the system concurrently. In-Hotel provides an easy-to-read calendar view showing the status of individual rooms within your hotel, allowing flexible room rates that can be based on calendar dates or days of the week. In-Hotel can provide high-end features for the small to medium hotels. External call access can be manipulated on the hotel room phone and call costing added to the guest's bill. Upon check-in, the guest's room telephone is allowed external call access. Different restriction classes can be set against a guest's room as required should the guest request it. Any external call made is logged, charged and added to the guest's folio, with the flexibility for the hotelier to set their own call rates. Upon checkout, the hotel room telephone is automatically barred external call access. As well as external calls, any additional charges, including bar and restaurant bills, can be added to the guest's folio, which, upon checkout, can be printed on a customized hotel invoice. An important part of the guest's experience within the hotel environment can revolve around the ability to start the day on time. In-Hotel can provide the control and monitoring of wake-up calls for guests during their stay, even displaying an alarm on the In-Hotel console if the guest does not answer. The status of the room, whether it be clean or dirty, can be displayed on the In-Hotel display. Should the maid change the status using the in-room telephone upon cleaning or inspection, the room status display can be updated accordingly. The close integration with the telephone system can tailor the features available for the guest. Upon check-in, the guest's name is transferred to the telephone system, so any call made within the hotel to, for example, the reception, displays the name of the guest. As one of a number of NEC's in-app solutions, In-Hotel delivers these exclusive in-app benefits. A built-in and embedded application on your telephone system's CPU, meaning no additional server requirements and ensuring the solution is extremely cost-effective. A simple, easy-to-use browser-based interface available 24/7. No extra PC or server required due to data being stored on the telephone system, helping to reduce hardware costs and IT maintenance. Supports room reservation process, room management, housekeeping, billing and hotel administration. Open architecture to set up the system to your specific needs. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been useful in providing an overview of the In-Hotel application. Further videos on In-Hotel and other in-apps applications are available on our YouTube channel.